Alright guys, this is my setup. I got three. I got the iPhone XS, iPhone SE, iPhone SE, the Mavic Air, Spark, gonna be a Osmo Pockets, and the Mavic Pro 2. All three drones at the same time. We're gonna go ahead and see if this thing can track me, active track, using three drones. Just one controller. The reason why I only got one controller because the Mavic Pro 2 is not a Wi-Fi base. So I'm just using two Wi-Fis right now, the Spark and the Air. Woohoo! So you got, look at this. Yeah! I got the Osmo Pocket. I got the Mavic. I got the Spark. Woo! Look at that, three drones at the same time. Wow, amazing. Three drones. Woohoo! Do you really need a smart controller to track down? Woo! My distance is down. Yeah. Look at that, the Spark. Woo!
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Please check it on the map.
So it's tracking all three of me.
Has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So all three of them are tracking me. That's an awesome feature ever. Look at that. Woo! So I got the Spark spinning on me.
Please check it on the map.
Look at that, three drones. Woohoo!
Please check it on the map. Please check it.
Still tracking me.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Woohoo! Osmo Pocket, three drones. Don't need no smart controller.